Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho quickly. To begin, select a rich, high-quality beef or chicken broth as your foundation. Enhance its depth by adding key aromatic spices such as star anise, whole cloves, and a cinnamon stick. Allow this flavorful mixture to simmer gently for about 30 minutes, letting the spices fully infuse. For your protein, opt for thinly sliced, quick-cooking beef or pre-cooked chicken to significantly reduce your preparation time. This initial step is crucial for a delicious, speedy pho. Next, let's prepare the essential components that bring your pho to life. Take your dried rice noodles and soak them in hot water for approximately 10 minutes until they are tender. While the noodles rehydrate, gather and prepare your fresh toppings. Thinly slice crisp white onions, vibrant green scallions, and spicy jalapenos. Also, have a generous handful of fresh cilantro, fragrant basil, and refreshing mint ready, along with crisp bean sprouts and bright lime wedges. These fresh elements are key. Now, it's time to bring all your prepared elements together into a delicious bowl of pho. First, carefully place the rehydrated, cooked rice noodles into a large, deep serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange your chosen protein, whether it's thinly sliced, rare beef, or tender, cooked chicken, directly over the noodles. Finally, and most importantly, ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth generously over all the ingredients. The heat of the broth will gently cook the beef and warm everything through. Your quick, homemade pho is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve your beautiful bowl immediately, ensuring the broth remains piping hot for the best experience. For those who love a little extra kick, offer sriracha and hoisin sauce on the side, allowing everyone to customize their flavors. Don't forget to squeeze a fresh lime wedge into your bowl for a bright, zesty finish. In under 1 hour, you've created a comforting and flavorful meal. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.